Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a few of my December favorites, everything that's keeping me cozy, glowy, and festive this season. Okay, I picked up this mini essentials set from Sephora during their VIB sale. It has something in here to peel your skin so that your skin has some good turnover and be moisturized and keep it glowy because during the winter we know our skin can get really cold and dry, so I would suggest this one. I just picked up a few little pajamas from my Amazon store, and they're really soft, very cozy. If you want, and if I remember, I'll leave the link below in the description box. It's super soft, better quality than I thought. I read the reviews. It runs true to size, and I did get a medium, just what I need for these cold, chilly North Carolina nights and mornings. And I'm also thinking about going back and getting them in a few other colors. And it's got pockets. You gotta have pockets. If it don't have pockets, I don't want it. Let's talk winter fragrances. I have this combo that's pure holiday magic. The first scent is a sweet, rich, think coffee and desserts. It's a warm and cozy, just like a hug in a bottle. The second is all about ginger spice, fresh, zesty, together perfection. The coffee scented one is a Caro Awake, and the ginger one is Molecule plus Ginger. Trust me, compliments are guaranteed. What's your favorite winter scent combo? Let me know. Alright, let's talk about candles. And this one right here is everything. It's the Cookie Butter Truffle Candle from Bath & Body Works. And let me tell you, it's like a dessert in a jar. Imagine creamy cookie butter, melted chocolate, and a touch of toasted sugar all swirled together. It's chef's kiss. This candle basically turns your space into a bakery, and honestly, who wouldn't want that? If you're into sweet, cozy vibes, this one's a must. And don't light it if you're hungry. So, funny story. I set up everything to make my favorite holiday coffee. Well, I really don't like coffee, but I have it like this. And I realized I was out of milk. So, moral of the story is, check your ingredients before you get started, okay? So if I'm not making it hot, I also make it cold in the blender. So it's my version of Starbucks' caramel ribbon crunch. I just use the coffee, some creamer, milk, ice, and blend it in the blender. Put a little caramel inside of my glass, and toss the drink in there, add a straw, and I'm good to go. So let me know what's your favorite thing to get at Starbucks, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.